Rural area champions STETHS started the ISSA National T20 cricket competition with a thrilling victory, while defending champions Wolmer's boys suffered an upset on the opening day. Taki High and Mayday High were also winners on the day.
In the opening match played at Chedwin Park, STETHS looked in danger of suffering their first loss of the season. The Spalding Cup champions were dismissed for a meager 78, with captain Malik Williams top scoring with 18. DeMarcus Scott had the best figures amongst the Excelsior bowlers with 3 for 7, while Tamari Redwood bagged 3 for 17. Michael Clark also took 2 for 9 and Malik Miller 2 for 37 for the Mountain View-based school. But even though it looked like Excelsior would take a comfortable victory, the Santa Cruz-based school managed to restrict them to 74 for 8. Clark top scored with 19 and Jamar Daly made 12. Javid Simpson took 2 for 8 for STETHS, while there were 4 runouts. In the second match played at Chedwin Park, Taki thrashed St. Jago by 86 runs. Batting first, Taki posted 176 for 3, with Tyson Gordon Jr. making 46 and Aeon Ennis 41. St. Jago were then restricted to 90 for 8, with Vittel Laws top scoring with 27 against 3 for 14 from Jordan Pinnock and 2 for 18 from Javon Shim. But over at Emmett Park, there was an upset for defending All-Ireland champions Wolmer's, as they suffered a shock defeat in their opening contest. Batting first, Wolmer's made 131 for 8, with Jose Northova top scoring with 39 and Joel Williams making 18 against 2 wickets each for Barrington Simpson, Sanjay Walker and Rashid Harriott. Manchester then chased down their target with 5 deliveries to spare, getting to victory at 134 for 5, thanks in large part to a top score of 57 from Matthew Morgan. Brian Barnes chipped in with a 26-ball 41. Omari Wedderburn took 2 for 22 for Wolmer's. And rural area outfit Mayday hammered St. George's College in the second match at the venue by 8 wickets. Chadwick Hewitt made 19 and national representative Rayon Edwards 18 as Mayday got to victory at 44 for 2. Earlier, St. George's were rolled over for just 41 as Philando White bagged 4 for 18 and Nashane Mead 3 for 6. No St. George's player got into double figures as there were 21 extras in their innings. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.
Now, 4 years after former chairman of selectors Courtney Brown and fellow selector Eldin Batiste filed legal action against Cricket West Indies for wrongful dismissal, there are reports that the Regional Cricket Board has settled the matter. Caribbean cricket commentator Andrew Mason has the details.
Courtney Brown and Eldin Baptiste were fired as selectors in June 2019, just after Ricky Skerritt became president of Cricket West Indies. Brown and Baptiste took the matter to court immediately, and after 4 years of waiting, the board decided to settle, paying all legal costs and 15 months payment of the contract. As chairman of selectors, Brown is expected to pocket around $75,000 US. The board is expected to make a statement on the matter very, very soon.